Hello, welcome to the final video of the series on how to create an interactive map from scratch. To wrap things up, we just need to publish the map online so that everyone can access it. So let's start by opening the browser and navigating to the GitHub page where we will be hosting our project. On the main GitHub page, we will start by clicking on Create New, the button located in the top right corner, and then selecting New Repository. On this new page, we can choose the name that will appear in the website's link. So the name in my case will be zoo-santo-inacio-interactive-map. We can give a description if we want. I will type Zoo Interactive Map, YouTube tutorial, and then the handle of my YouTube page. The remaining options can be left as default. Click on Create Repository, and on the code page we can upload the files we have worked on throughout these 18 episodes. To do this, click on Upload Existing File and simply drag all the files into the area that says Drag Files Here to add them to your repository. So first let me open the folder where the files are. Now we just need to select all the files and drag them into GitHub. The files may take some time to upload. After all the files have been uploaded to the platform, scroll down the page and click on Commit Changes. On the right tab we can see the languages used and their percentages. So HTML with 89%, JavaScript with 6.6 and CSS with 4.2. To finish, let's click on Settings. Then click on Pages in the left-hand panel. For the branch, change it from None to Main and leave it as root. And then click Save. Finally, we wait a few seconds or minutes, this may vary depending on the project, until the link is generated at the top of the page, as you can see here on the screen. Let's click on the link and we can see that our project is now complete and live for everyone to visit. We can do a final check to ensure that all the elements are functioning correctly and it looks like everything is working as expected. So from my side, I just want to thank everyone who followed along and watched the development of this project. If you'd like to visit the project, I'll leave the link in the description of this video. So with that, I officially conclude this series. Thank you once again for being there. Thank you for watching. If you like this type of content, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment what you want to learn next.